there were signs, I'm sure you knew, where I could all more than I could chew. But through it all, when it goes down, I ain't love and scream out. I wasted all I stood tall and didn't find way. I've got to cry. I've had to feel a share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing. Think I did all that, and may I say I am a shy away. Oh no, no, not me. I didn't find anyway. What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has got to say the things he truly feels.